What's up? I'm Brandon, and this is my bike check. To start off, got Odyssey Griswold grips. Just got new ones today. They're comfy. S&M slam bars. They're decent. I think they're cut down to 28s. Demolition Keystone stem in purple. Great stem. I love it. Doesn't slip at all. Shadow Corvus headset. Just got it today. I like it so far. Spins really smooth. Epic effin' fail sticker. My friend told me to put it on my bike. Cult Sect forks. Signed by one of the members of the Cult crew. Now for the front wheel. Got Demolition Phantom hub. Demolition white spokes. Alienation 7-Up hoop. It's a little dirty. Fit FAF tire. And I hate the tire, but I love the wheel. Now for the frame, got FBM Marauder V3, shadow seat with a skull on it. Got animal pivotal post, a screw in there right now for my seat clamp. Got just normal KMC white chain. Cult OS sprocket. The new Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. They're amazing. I love them. Animal Hamilton PC pedals. I've had these for a while. They're okay. Wear out kind of fast, but I'd recommend them. For the back wheel, got the Demolition rolls. Same thing, demo spokes to a Alienation 7-Up in purple. Animal GLH tire. I'd recommend it. It's a good tire, it grips well. Now for the side. Got a Shadow Little Ones peg, a Shadow hub guard, animal bottom bracket, and Stone Thermalite front peg with the G Sport hub guard, and pet medicine for my dog. Yeah, that's my bike check. Subscribe, rate, comment, do whatever. Alright, thanks for watching.